Hello and a massive welcome to the UK. Just landed in the UK for your masters? Here's your complete step-by-step guide of what to do after arrival. From healthcare to bank accounts, transport, student discounts and more, we'll cover everything you need to settle quickly and smoothly. It might feel new and a bit overwhelming, but you're about to start one of the most exciting chapters of your life. We'll walk through everything you need to do, step by step, so you can feel confident and ready. First up, let's talk about your Biometric Residence Permit, or BRP. This little card is one of the most important documents you'll have while you're in the UK. It's your proof of your right to study and live here. You'll need it for opening a bank account and registering with the university. Collect your BRP within 10 days of arriving, or by the expiry date on your entry vignette sticker in your passport. You'll have chosen a collection point during your visa application, usually a post office branch. Don't put this off, it's a top priority. Next on the list is looking after your health. To access it, register with a local doctor known as a GP. This is completely free to do. You'll usually need proof of address and proof of your student status. You've probably already paid the immigration health surcharge as part of your visa, which gives you access to the NHS. Now for the national insurance number, or NI number. Apply online through gov.uk, prove your identity, and apply early once you have a stable UK address. Depending on your nationality, you might need to register with the police. Your visa decision letter or passport sticker will clearly state if this applies to you. If it does, you must do this within 7 days of arriving in the UK. Book an appointment, often with the Overseas Visitors Records Office. Bring your passport, your BRP and proof of address or visa letter. Now let's talk about money. Opening a UK bank account is essential for managing your day-to-day finances, for paying rent and receiving any part-time work salary. Most high street banks offer student accounts. To open one, you'll typically need your passport, your BRP and a letter from your university confirming your student status and UK address. Banks can be busy at the start of term, so book early. If the process feels slow, digital-only options are great. Set up an account from your phone in minutes. Great for budgeting with instant spending notifications and categorized purchases. For large transfers or international money in, you might still want a traditional account. Whichever you choose, getting your account set up gives you independence and makes life easier. Once you've completed your university registration, one of the first things you'll get is your student ID card. It's your key to almost everything: library access, building entry, printing, clubs and societies. Your student ID unlocks discounts at many shops, restaurants, cinemas and hairdressers, usually around 10 to 20% off. For online deals, sign up for uni days and student beans. Getting around. In London, you'll need an Oyster card or contactless payment for tube, buses and trains. Other cities have similar travel cards, and discounted weekly or monthly passes are often available for students. Get a 16 to 25 rail card, about £30 a year. Saves a third on fares. Thinking about driving? International licenses might be valid for up to 12 months. Then you'll likely need a UK provisional license, theory exam and practical exam. It's long and costly, so public transport is usually easier and cheaper. Check gov.uk for specific rules. Whether you're in university halls or a private rental, register with your local council. As a full-time student, you are usually exempt from council tax, but you must apply with an exemption certificate from your university. Get a UK SIM. Start with pay-as-you-go, then consider a monthly plan or a 30-day rolling plan once your bank account is set up. In private housing, you may need broadband. Compare deals and note it can take up to 2 weeks for installation. If bills are not included, set up gas, electricity and water with your housemates and take meter readings when you move in. Share the responsibility and get it done early so you can relax and feel at home. Getting all this done means you can truly relax and feel at home in your new space. Living in the UK can be expensive, so get a handle on your budget early. Essentials per month: rent outside London around £600 to £1,200, food around £150 to £250, transport around £80 to £150, utilities vary. Shop smart, cook simple meals and invest in warm waterproof clothing and sturdy shoes for winter. Use student discounts, rail cards and university software offers. Every pound you save adds up to more for travel and socialising. While all international students share the journey of adapting to a new country, there are important differences between EU and non-EU students. Since Brexit, most new EU students need a student visa similar to non-EU students. You must prove you have a place on a course, meet English language requirements, and show proof of funds. Most EU students are now classed as international and pay higher tuition fees. Scholarships or private funds are key. UK student loans are very limited for EU nationals, so secure funding before you arrive. The immigration health surcharge is the fee to access the NHS. It is currently £776 per year of your visa and is mandatory. Some things remain simpler for EU citizens. For example, you generally will not need to register with the police. Budgeting advice is the same for everyone. Cook at home, choose budget-friendly options, and look for discounts. The main challenge for new EU students is navigating the visa and financial hurdles now part of the process. Plan smart and you will settle quickly and focus on what truly matters, your master's journey. Moving to a new country is a big step. The UK is generally safe, but be sensible and aware of your surroundings, especially at night. Stay with friends when you go out, keep your phone charged, avoid poorly lit areas, and keep valuables out of sight in crowded places. Your university has international support, accommodation advice, and well-being services with confidential counselling. Know the numbers: Police 999, Ambulance 999, Fire Brigade 999. For non-urgent police, call 101. For non-urgent medical advice, call 111. Join societies, talk to classmates, and get to know your housemates. Having people you can rely on makes all the difference. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to your first few weeks in the UK. Let's quickly recap the most important things. Upon arrival, get through immigration and collect your bags. Within 10 days, collect your BRP, register with a GP. Apply for your national insurance number if you plan to work, open a bank account, get your student ID and transport cards. If required, complete police registration within 7 days. Set up your home, SIM, internet, utilities, and keep a close eye on your budget. Landing in the UK is just the start. Plan smart, stay confident, and make the most of every opportunity. Like, subscribe, download the checklist, and always check official UK government and university websites.